I would go into most of all my starter guys' eyes, special team guys' eyes, and I would look at you in your eye, and I want to know, if you're ready to play football. And I can tell you if you're ready to play football. Then it's like, okay, here we go, another Sunday.
They ain't ready for this! They ain't ready for this! They are not ready for this!
Not enough somebody out there. It's time for our best to do what we do best. Dominate! Y'all know what we do on 3. 1, 2, 3!
You can't hurt this! I'm a machine, jerk! You couldn't buzz me if you tried, little boy! 145! Blue 45! Look! Hey, come here for a minute, come here. Listen. It doesn't matter what they do. You don't understand that. These people cannot score on us. They cannot score on us. They can't even move the ball. You know why? Because we got each other. Put the smiles on your faces. This is a 60-minute ball game.
And he's hit behind the line of scrimmage and stopped the ladies in hell. The Ravens have done a pretty good job against Clinton Portis so far. Fake to Portis, Canal, deep drop, plenty of time, throws, Ray Lewis intercepts, 50, 45, Ray at the 40, cuts back in, gets a block, 30, 25, he's all the way down, inside the 20 to the 19-yard line. He looked like a running back out there. This is a veteran move by Ray.
Roethlisberger goes down. Everybody give me the eyes. Listen to me. This team cannot move the ball on us. And it's time for us to set this tone. This is what we built for. We like this type of football. Let's go now. This is what makes champions. Right here. If we're trying to be great, this is where it starts. We go 3 and out and let everything else take care of itself. This has been a fine moment for our season right here. Man up and let's go. Do not be blocked. Do not be blocked. We